Today I'm going to show you how to put together the large stemless wine glass box. To start, I just add the panels first, if you do add the panels at all. A lot of people prefer the boxes without panels, but I think it's fun for a certain occasion. For this particular box, we have panels for the sides, the back, and the lid. So they all just get centered. And once you get done with that, we will start assembling the actual box. Now this does fit a standard 20 to 21 inch glass, stemless wine glass. We tested it with one, I think it was Luminarc from Dollar Tree. Then after everything, all the panels are put on, just go ahead and add glue on that side long tab, and then align the edge of the back of the box so it matches the tab fold, and making sure that the top and bottom are aligned as well. Then always flip it over to give it a little extra push to make sure it's secure. And then with flat boxes, it's easy just to fold it over flat, and then that other edge will just fold over to match. I was a little bit off on the first. If you're a little bit off on the first tab, then it might not line up perfectly, so you just have to adjust it just a little bit. But then you can apply pressure against the table easily. So just make sure it's good and dry before going to the next step. Then we're going to flip over that large bottom part, and then first we'll glue the big tab across from the front fold. I found that's easier first, and then the side tabs. And then when you fold it over, you just want to make sure it's in alignment with the sides. And then make sure that the edge, the other bottom edge, is flush with the tab fold, the inside tab fold. And then apply pressure from within. You can use a long utensil as well to do the same thing. And then go ahead and add glue to the side tabs. We'll do them one at a time. And you just want to flip them in, and don't lose the box like I do. And after each tab, I usually flip it over, apply additional pressure. I'm applying pressure from within it as well, having my fingers in there. So this one I didn't flip over, but once I do the second tab, I'll make sure that I flip it over and apply additional pressure. But that opening in the front does help with getting your hands in there. I did go from the top, but I have a little bit round hands. So if you have smaller hands, you can go through the front. Then applying pressure to the bottom. See, you see me moving the box around? That's the reason why you want to make sure it's good and folded properly before you put it together. So now we're going to add the lid, because it was too big to put it in one cut. So I'm going to align that tab fold, basically glue it to the inside of the box, and you're going to want to align the tab fold with the edge there. So you want to kind of get it placed first. So I'm just trying to get it placed in the right place before it dries up. Sometimes you need to maneuver a little bit to get it in your hands in the right area. So for me, I flipped it over and went from the front. And once I get it in place, just apply additional pressure, and that basically finishes the box. But we're going to show you what it looks like with a stemless wine glass in it. It is not the right size, so it might look a little small. It is. It's not. I didn't have it on hand for this video. But basically, just put it in there, and now you can show off your personalized design really easily when you give it as a gift. There you go. That's it. Thank you for watching.